Told Governor, we share on these issues. I think they have taken the right decision. The authority of the state must be asserted. Nobody should blackmail the state and a highway, because blocking that is against Article 19, which is a fundamental right of the citizens. So the state is duty bound to defend citizens' right. So free movement is part of that. So the state is on its constitutional jurisdictions to do it. And in fact, this is their duty and responsibility, and they should. My only wish is that they should handle it firmly, but with sensitivity that is required, because we had this long conflict. You know, in Kashmir, they said they are not going to break off Kashmir, and the delegates went and met the Prime Minister then even. Okay, they met in the morning, and I think it was in the evening they declared the 370 wala project. Though they said in the morning, Farooq Sheikh was in tears. They went in the morning and met the Prime Minister already before, and they said that, we're not going to do anything touching us. So don't go by the thing. Do not lower your guard. I hope they keep their word, but we as a people should not lower our guards. We should be, because if you check this precedent rules and what happened in Kashmir, just check it, precedent rules, draw the similarity. We have a very short memory. I think people should not have. Please check it, what happened in Kashmir, precedent rule, when was it imposed, why was it imposed, what happened afterwards. So I think people of Manipur should be on their toes and alert.
But you said that this separate administration demanded by the cookie can be given at any time, because even though the Minister has clearly mentioned.
And they said politics is an art of possibles, and people, I think, they're bargaining. But I think I firmly believe that government of India will not indulge in that kind of thing and invite trouble for themselves.